9. So today we'll be discussing right triangle similarity theorem. So there are two parts on this theorem. So first one is, in a right triangle, when the altitude is drawn from the hypotenuse. So in this figure po, we'll use triangle ABC where angle B is a right angle. Now, ang sabi dito, kapag daw yung altitude ay drawing mula sa hypotenuse. So, tanda mo kapag altitude, that should be perpendicular. So, kaya meron ding right angle symbol dito. So, ulit, yung hypotenuse is side opposite the 90-degree angle. So, meron daw altitude na drinon mula dun sa hypotenuse. Now, ang sabi, the measure of the altitude, so yung measurement nito ay equal sa geometric mean nung dalawang segment nung nahati yung hypotenuse. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, yung hypotenuse AC natin, nahati into Y and Z or AD and DC. So, ang sabi, kapag daw gusto mo makuha yung value ng altitude, that is simply this one is equal to the square root of the product ng dalawang segment na naghati sa hypotenuse. Or in this case, tandaan mo, ni-represent lang natin to. So, pwedeng mapalitan yung mga variable. So, dito, yung x natin is the altitude. Then, yung y and z are the segments kung saan na-divide yung ating hypotenuse. So, our formula is x is equal to the square root of y times z. Or in short, the altitude is equal to the square root of yung dalawang segment ng hypotenuse. Okay. Doon naman sa pangalawang part ng ating theorem, states that in a right triangle, when the altitude is drawn from the hypotenuse, so ganun pa rin. Pero in this case, this is triangle ABC. Yung ating triangle ABC, this is a right angle. Ito pa rin yung ating altitude drawn from our hypotenuse C. Now, ang sabi, bawat leg daw ay geometric mean between the hypotenuse and the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to the leg. So, isa-isay natin yun. Medyo marami-rami. So, ang sabi, yung bawat leg ng hypotenuse, so, recall lang natin, kapag ito yung right triangle ABC natin, at ito yung right angle, yung side na katapat niya, which is AB, is ang ating hypotenuse. So, yung buong AB dito is represented by C. So, ito yung hypotenuse. Now, yung dalawang natitirang side ng triangle ay yung legs ng right triangle. So, ang legs ng right triangle natin is are represented by B and A. Nang sabi, bawat leg daw ay geometric mean between the hypotenuse and the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to the leg. So, kung nawawala yung measurement ng leg A, that is equal daw to the square root of the product ng hypotenuse, which is C. Tanda mo, yung hypotenuse ay pinagsama AD at DB or Y and Z. Itong buong ito, yung ating hypotenuse. Now, sabi, A daw po is equal to the square root of hypotenuse times yung segment, which is ito, na malapit sa kanya. Adjacent yun. So, A is equal to the square root of C times Z. Ito po yan. Now, para naman kunin yung para sa kabilang leg, so ito naman to, is equal to the square root of hypotenuse ulit. So, that is C times yung segment adjacent to it. So, that is Y. So, kailangan lang hypotenuse, then yung malapit na segment dun sa missing leg.